Good morning, children. We have to study about a new lesson known as natural disasters. About natural disaster that we have to study. Natural disaster. What is the meaning of natural disaster and what are the specialities of natural disaster that we have to think? Natural disasters are not man-made. Whatever may be the case, natural disasters are not man-made. It is the activity of the nature. What the nature is doing, that is known as natural disaster. What are the things which the nature is doing is known as natural disaster. So, we have to study about natural disasters of India. What are the important or what are the major natural disasters which are there in the land of India? One is known as flood. Flood is a natural disaster. Flood. There is no doubt that flood is a natural disaster. We cannot make a flood. There is no doubt that we cannot make or we cannot create a flood. It is impossible for us to make or to create a flood. Flood is a natural phenomenon. Flood is a natural phenomenon. We cannot make a flood or we cannot create a flood. Flood is a natural phenomenon. Then, what are the causes of flood that we don't think? Causes. What are the major or what are the important causes of flood that we don't think? Important or major causes of flood. What are the major or what are the important causes of flood that we are studying? First one is known as rain. Rain. Rain is an important cause of flood. Rain. Rain is known as an important cause of flood. What is that? We have two types of rainy season. Two types of rainy season is there for us. One is southwest monsoon and another one is northeast monsoon. But in the land of India, rainy season is having its own speciality. What are the specialities of rainy season that we have to think? Two specialities are there for the rainy season. In the land of India, the rain is uncertain. In the land of India, rain is uncertain. In India, rain is uncertain. At what time the rain will come? What time the rain will stop? We don't know. During some years, what is that? There may be more rain. More rain will be there sometime. More rain will be there. Sometimes there will be less rain. During some years, more rain will be there. We have seen what happened during last year. What happened during Last year we have seen clearly there was a presence of more rain last year. Last year there was more rain. Before last year also we had more rain. So rain is an important reason for the occurrence of flood. For the development of agriculture, I had told you, for the development of agriculture we want optimum rainfall. Optimum rainfall we want for the development of agriculture. For the development of agriculture, correct or optimum rainfall is a must. Without correct or optimum rainfall, what will be the agriculture will not be possible. But sometimes rainfall may be more. That is an important reason for which one? Flood. Over rainfall or more rainfall is an important reason for flood. This is a natural phenomenon. Then melting of snow. Melting of snow is an important reason for which one? Melting of snow is an important reason for flood. Melting of snow. That we know very well what is happening here. Melting of snow. In the Himalayan areas, what is that? In the Himalayan areas, because of melting of snow, flood is quite common. In the Himalayan areas, only because of melting of snow, what is the flood is quite common. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. What is the meaning? In Himalayan areas, two types of floods are quite common. In Himalayan areas, two types of or two categories of floods are common in the Himalayan areas. One is because of more rainfall. Such a type of floods are common in the Himalayan areas. Floods. Another type of flood also is common in the Himalayan areas. Because of the melting of snow, because of snow melting, what is that? Because of snow melting, in the Himalayan areas, flood is quite common. You might have seen in TV, or you might have read in newspapers that in the Himalayan areas, last year because of melting of, which one? Because of melting of snow, Himalayan snow, there occurred a very big flood in the Himalayan Pradesh areas. This also we have studied these things. Because of the melting of snow, flood will happen. The flood that is happening because of melting of snow is more powerful than the flood that is happening because of which one? Rainwater. Cyclones. Cyclones. This is another reason. Because of cyclones, unexpected rain may happen. Because of cyclones, quite unexpected rain may happen because of cyclones. quite unexpected rain will happen. Because of cyclone, the rainwater will increase. Because of rainwater, what is that? Because of this one, flood will happen. Blockage of seawater. Blockage of seawater. All the river water during the time of rain is going to the nearby sea or ocean. It is quite common. This is quite common. Then another thing also is that all the water, that is all the water in the river is going to the nearby sea or ocean without merging with the sea or ocean. What will be the? Without merging with the sea or ocean, no river can survive. No river can survive without merging with the sea or ocean. But sometimes blockage may happen for seawater. Sometimes, not always. Sometimes blockage may happen for seawater. When blockage is there for seawater, what will happen? When blockage is there for seawater, what actually will happen? The seawater may spread into the nearby areas. In such a way, flood will happen in the land of India. Flood. So what is that? We are studying about natural disasters. We are learning or we are studying about natural disasters. We are learning more. We are studying about natural disasters. What are natural disasters? Natural disasters are not man-made things. Natural disasters are made by nature only. Those things which are made by nature is known as natural disasters. Those disasters which are made by nature is known as natural disasters. Those things or those items which are made by nature is known as natural disasters. Then we will study one by one what are the major natural disasters. Flood, pralaya. We have seen last year and before last year the dangerous side of flood. What are the causes of flood? That we have seen. First one, rain. There is no doubt that we can understand one thing. There is no doubt. There is no doubt that rain is the most important cause of flood. Indian rain may be sometimes uncertain, untimely. Some years what will happen? During some years, the rain may come early. During some years, the rain may be late. Whatever may be the case, what is that? Whatever may be the case, we want an optimum quantity of rainfall. If you are not getting an optimum quantity of rainfall, it is not at all good for the agricultural land. So, Indian rain is uncertain and untimely. Sometimes rain may be more, sometimes rain may be less, both are dangerous for the agricultural land. Both are really dangerous for the agricultural land. So when there is more rain, pralaya will happen. Then melting of snow. Melting of snow is an important reason for pralaya. South Indians don't know about this one. In the Himalayan areas, what is the? In the Himalayan areas, flood is more because of melting of snow. Himalayas are full of snow sometimes. During summer also, what will happen? Flood will be there because of melting of Himalayan snow. Because of melting Himalayan snow, what will be there? Flood will be there. Because of melting of Himalayan snow, flood will be there. The flood that is happening because of melting of Himalayan snow is more dangerous than the flood that is happening because of rainwater. Cyclones. Because of cyclones, what will be there? Because of cyclones or due to cyclones, sometimes we may get unexpected rainfall. We may get because of cyclones. Because of cyclones or due to cyclones, we may get unexpected rainfall. Then what will be there? Because of that one, flood will happen. Then blockage of sea water. Now only I told. River water is going to the nearby ocean or sea. All the rivers of the world are going either to the nearby river or sea. It is quite common. Sometimes there may be a blockage for sea water. Blockage. If there is a blockage for sea water, what will happen? If there is a blockage for sea water, the sea water may spread into the nearby agricultural land. In that way, flood will happen. These are the reasons of which one? Flood. What are the effects of flood that we are studying? What are the final result of flood? First one is soil erosion. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is an important reason, important effect of flood. What is the meaning of soil erosion? That I had told you several times. In our previous lessons, I had told you people regarding the meaning of soil erosion. Soil erosion means movement of soil from one place to another place. That is soil erosion. Movement of soil from one place to another place is known as soil erosion. Then what is the meaning? Because of rain, soil erosion may be there. Because of rain. Because of heavy rain, soil erosion will be there. Because of wind, soil erosion will be there. Because of overgrazing, some people are sending their cow, buffaloes, sheep buffaloes, bullocks, sheep, goat, etc. to the nearby land. when these animals are moving from one place to another place, will be there. Soil erosion will be there. So there are different reasons for soil erosion. There are various reasons for soil erosion. Different or various reasons are there for soil erosion. Among the reasons of soil erosion, which one is flood is the most important reason of soil erosion. Last year and before last year, we had seen regarding the evil effect of flood. Some lands were fully destroyed by flood. Some lands were fully destroyed by flood. Because of flood, what happened? Because of flood, some lands were fully destroyed. So, this is an important evil effect of flood. Soil erosion. When there is soil erosion, what will happen? When there is soil erosion, the fertile outer covering of the earth will be wiped out. The fertile outer covering of the earth will be wiped out. That is an important speciality of soil erosion. So, when the fertile outer covering is wiped out, what will be there? When the fertile outer covering is wiped out, what will be the result? When the fertile outer covering is wiped out, it will be impossible for the farmers to grow very good crops. So, agricultural production will be destroyed as a result of cyclones. This is an important evil effect of flood. Another one is property. What is the meaning of this one? Property. What is the meaning by this one? Property. We do have different types of property. We do have houses. We may have buildings, we may have vehicles. All the property will be or may be destroyed. All the property will be may be or will be destroyed as a result of flood. As a consequence of flood. All the property will be or may be destroyed as a result of flood. There is another speciality. We have seen last year flood or before last year flood. Some people who have kept their car near their house has been destroyed during the time of flood. The car moved from one place to another place. Bridges. Before last year we have seen some very big bridges were washed away from one place to another place because of flood. We have seen the movement of some buildings. Some very big concrete buildings also moved from one place to another place. Because of which one? Because of flood. We cannot move a small piece of iron piece with our hand, but flood is very powerful. Different type of property will be destroyed as a result of flood. Then another life is living beings. living beings. What is living beings? Human beings and other living beings are there on the earth. There are different types of living beings on the earth. You know better than me what will happen to living beings during the time of flood. What will happen to the living beings during the time of flood? That we have to understand. What will happen or what is happening to the living beings during the time of flood? We should know or we have to understand. Last year flood we have seen, or before last year flood, so many people died during the time of flood. So many people died during the time or during the days of flood. Government of Karnataka have found out so many unknown dead bodies or so many unidentified dead bodies. Government of Karnataka found out. So many people lost their relatives, and cattle also died out before last year flood. Cattle are an important part of our life. Even cattle also died out during the time of flood. Cattle also died out during the time of flood. That also we have seen. Cattle. So, what is people do have the habit of domesticating animals. People do have the habit of domesticating animals. People have the habit. When people are domesticating animals, what is happening? During the time of flood, those domesticated animals and birds will die out. People also are dying. So, flood is a great damage to which one? To living beings. Then agriculture comes. Agricultural crops will be destroyed. In the land of India, better than me, you know very well, better than me. In the land of India, about 70 or 71% of Indians are depending on agriculture. Or agriculture is the main or major occupation of the people of India. Agriculture, no doubt. Agriculture is a major occupation of Indian people. Agriculture. Then what is that? Agriculture is the main or major occupation of the Indian people. But during the time of rainy season or flood, agricultural crops will be destroyed. Last year you have seen or you might have experienced. Your parents have cultivated sugarcane. Crores and crores of rupees lost was happened to the sugarcane farmers of Karnataka. Their vegetables are destroyed. So, agricultural crops will be destroyed as a result of which one? As a result of flood. Agricultural crops will be destroyed as a result of flood. Then, brought to national income. It is a brought to national income of India. National income of India will be reduced. What is the meaning? National income means income of a nation in 1 year. Income of a nation in one particular year is known as national income. Income of a nation. Income of a nation in 1 year is known as national income. Then what is that? As a result of flood, national income of India will be destroyed, reduced. As a result of flood, income of a nation 1 year is known as national income. Income of a nation in 1 year is known as national income. Then what is that? As a result of flood, everything will be destroyed in the country. Everything. As a result of flood, everything will be destroyed in the country. So, when the valuable items are destroyed, what will be there? When the valuable items are destroyed, what will be there? National income of India will be reduced. National income of India will be reduced when valuable items are destroyed. When national income is decreasing, our country will go down from the path of development to the path of undevelopment. Environmental problems. Environmental problems will happen as a result of which one? Flood. After the flood, you know very well what is going on after the flood. After the flood, what is going on or what is happening, you know very well after the flood. After the flood, our atmosphere will be fully destroyed. After the flood, our atmosphere will be fully or completely destroyed. Then, atmosphere beauty or the hygiene speciality of atmosphere will be destroyed. So, in order to clear the environment, last year and before last year, you have seen what the health department and police were doing clearly. So, these are the problems of or result of flood. See, what are the effects of flood? There we have think. Soil erosion. Soil erosion means movement of the outer covering of the earth. Movement of the outer covering of the earth from one place to another place is known as, which one is known as flood. Is known as soil erosion. Movement of the outer covering of the earth from one place to another place is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion is an important problem of India. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is known as, or soil erosion is considered as one of the major or important problem of India as a whole. Soil erosion. Because soil erosion may happen because of so many reasons. Because of rainwater, soil erosion may happen. The outer covering of the earth may move from one place to another place because of soil erosion. Outer covering of the earth may move from one place to another place because of soil erosion. Then, overgrazing is an important reason for soil erosion. Overgrazing. Parents are sending their cow, buffaloes, sheep buffaloes to a nearby agricultural land. Then what will be there? Then, when they are walking from one place to another place, soil erosion will happen. Then, wind. Wind is an important reason for soil erosion. Among all these reasons, among all these reasons, the most important reason of soil erosion is flood or rainwater. Because of flood, the outer covering of the earth may move from one place to another place. Because of which one? Because of flood. The outer covering of the earth may move from one place to another place. There is soil erosion. This is a negative effect of flood property. As a result of flood, property of the people will be destroyed. Vehicles, houses, buildings, all are the property of the people. During the time of flood, what will be the? During the time of flood, property of the people will be clearly destroyed. Property of the people will be clearly destroyed during the time of flood. Property. Their vehicles will be destroyed. Houses will be destroyed. Buildings will be destroyed. Bridges will be destroyed. If one's property is destroyed, it is very difficult to make such a type of valuable property again. It is very difficult to make. Living beings. What is that? Flood is a real damage to living beings. Human beings, animals, birds, reptiles, small microorganisms, everything will die out during the time of a flood. During the time or during the days of flood. All living beings, including human beings, will be destroyed during the days of the flood. Agriculture crops in the land of India. Agriculture is the major occupation of the people in the land of India. Agriculture. Agriculture is the major occupation of the people in the land of India. Agriculture. Then what is that? During the time of agriculture, people are cultivating two types of crops mainly. One is food crops. Another one is known as commercial crops. Commercial crops are those crops which we are cultivating only for the purpose of getting money. Ginger, sundi, allam, adrak. Then turmeric, ashini, elachi, cardamom, rubber, sugarcane. All are examples of cash crops. We are selling those items in order to make profit, money. Another item is known as food crops. Food crops are those crops which we are cultivating only for eating purpose. Only for the purpose of eating, we are cultivating food crops. Rice, wheat, maize, ragi, etc. are examples of food crops. But during the time of flood, our food crops and commercial crops will be destroyed. National income of the nation. When flood is there, valuable items on the earth will be destroyed. When valuable items are destroyed, what will happen? When the valuable items are destroyed, what actually will happen? When valuable items are destroyed, national income of the country will be lagging behind. National income. National income of the country will be lagging behind. National income of the country will be lagging behind. Then what will be there? When national income is lagging behind, the country cannot develop or prosper clearly. Environmental problems. During the time of flood, there will be the presence of so many environmental problems. So many environmental problems will happen during the time of flood. In order to overcome the environmental problems, the government must spend a huge amount of money. Last year, during the time of flood, and before last year, during the time of flood, we have seen that our rich greenery has been destroyed. Our great greenery has been destroyed during the time of flood. Our rich greenery has been destroyed. So flood will destroy the environment of the earth. So these are the results of flood. Flood is having only negative results. We cannot imagine about the positive sides of flood. These are the specialities of flood. Dear children, you observe this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.